Okay, boss. I found a new lens for this camera on eBay. A new used lens. And let's see if I can put it in there and get it to work. Keep in mind I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Is this gonna work? Okay, I've already taken out all 6 screws on this camera. 2 on each side. 2 there, 2 there, and then 2 on the bottom by the tripod mount. Now I've taken this apart already before, and it's something else. Let's see if I can do it again. First I'm going to pop out the battery and pop out the card, and then pop this little thing open. Okay, and now it's held together by tabs. So I'll work my way around and start getting it apart. The lens is about the deepest thing in there, so the whole thing has to come apart in pieces, it seems, before you actually get to the lens. And this piece comes off. There we go. It looks like I broke that tab. Oh, shit. Okay, let's just assume I can get that back together. Alright, now this piece comes out this side by the lens side. Alright, so there's what I've got. Now I've got to get that lens out of there. Take off the whole back. Okay. Back's off. Now this just flops down. And there's a screw here I need to take out to take the whole backside apart. So I'm going to take that screw out. It's right here in the corner. Top corner. Get this out. And once this screw comes out, the whole damn thing just kind of falls apart in your hands. Incredibly. Alright, that screws out. Now, this, I remember, pop this side off. Ooh, shit. Okay. Now the whole back LCD part comes off. That screw holds on this top piece with the buttons on it. So that thing's just sitting on there right now. I'm going to just leave it sitting on there for right now unless it falls off. But there's a black plastic piece behind the LCD, and it has a little pin on the end that sticks into the... Oh, it's on the side by the screw. Okay, before I do that, I'm going to just go to the other side and pop these up a little. Okay. Let that loose. Okay. That is off. And the black plastic piece here. Okay, there's the lens side. Flip that over, and there's the black plastic. And it's got this pin that sticks in the corner groove over here. Just on the bottom side of the camera, right there. See that pin? Okay. Get this all out of the way. And remember how that little piece is through this one here. This little ribbon is through the metal on that. So it's just pinned down here. Okay, that's popped up. Let's disconnect this cable here. Okay, that's out. Whew. Okay, that's off of there. And now I can hopefully get this lens out of here. Yes, it looks like I will be able to. So I'm going to pop this out of here. Like so. And now my new lens. That's my old one. The new one I'm going to pop in. Come on, be nice to me. Ow! That hurt. Don't push the on button. Okay, I'm going to assume I got that in there. Fold this over, hook it on. Man, I can't see this shit. It's in there. What more do you want from me? What's wrong with you? Okay, let's see if I can get this screw back in here. Alright. That's in there. Okay. Something's working. So let me get this thing back together. What am I forgetting? Okay, I'll put the back on. I'm going to put these screws back in.